Hello everyone and welcome back to Vlogmas. If you've never met me before, my name is Lexi and today I am going to do a little get ready with me for a Christmas party and give you a little life update just on everything going on and a little behind the scenes of Vlogmas and all of that. So without further ado, let's get right into this. Okay, so if you've seen my makeup video, I am like dying because I'm missing my best foundation brush, so I have a replacement. Good thing I'm home and not at school. I want to have that. But anyways, so first things first that I want to share with you guys is Vlogmas is absolutely the craziest thing that I've ever gotten myself into, and I honestly have no idea how I'm even doing it because it is absolutely insane. For like those of you that don't know what it is, literally it's posting a video every single day from the 1st of December to the 25th, which is Christmas. And like before I started my own channel and like before like November, I didn't even know what this was, and I just like I've seen it before but like I didn't get the concept. So going into this, I definitely was in over my head, and I mean I knew it was gonna be a lot of work, but like I could handle it, and I'm honestly so impressed with myself that I am handling it because it's actually crazy. So I have been literally editing non-stop. Like if you have your own channel, I'm sure you can relate, but in general, if you've ever tried to come up with 25 good ideas of literally anything, I'm sure you can understand that it is literally impossible. And especially when like everyone is doing videos and it's like that constant struggle of like, should I do the same thing because someone else is doing it, or like should I get creative, or like was that a popular idea that I should hop onto, or like did I miss the boat? Like there's just so many thoughts that go through your head and so many second guessing because you don't have the time to like fuss over making a video absolutely perfect, or at least I don't have the skills and time to do that. So it just ends up being what it is on some videos. And sorry if you've seen me do makeup before on my channel, it's going to look a little different because I already had some makeup on and I'm just like touching up and fixing and stuff. So that's why I'm kind of all over the place with that, just so you guys knew that. But anyways, it is just, I can't put it into words. It's insane and I love and hate it at the same time. And it is so rewarding and it is also so taxing again at the same time. So we're working with it. We're making it happen and I hope you guys are really enjoying. Guys, I am just a hot freaking mess. Look what I just did to my cheek. Okay, but I am so out of order. I'm in a rush. I am making this video. There's so much going on in my life, had everything at the moment. But on the bright side, I don't know if I said already, I am done with classes, which thank goodness, because I don't know how other YouTubers are doing it simultaneously, like Vlogmas and college, because I just absolutely could not, and it would just be way too much. But I'm just gonna say to you guys, like, my first year of the YouTube channel, like, yes, Vlogmas is a great time to grow your channel, and I am so happy that I've added to my fam on YouTube so much during this time. But like, it was definitely a huge step to take really, really fast. And I'm not going to say it's not worth it because it totally is. But like, sanity-wise, like, again, I'm doing so much better than I thought I would be. Like, when I told my mom that I was doing this, she was like, you're actually crazy. Like, you sure about that? And I was like, yeah, I'm sure. But like, I wasn't. But now, like, I am so glad that I chose to do it. So, just throwing that out there for any of you that considered this year and are like, I'm doing it next year. I would definitely say, I know you're supposed to vlog, like, every single day. And kudos to the people that actually get that done, because I had a lot of pre-recorded videos and a lot of sit-down stuff, which I think is pretty normal for YouTubers my age, and maybe I'm wrong. But I couldn't have done it without doing that. So definitely I would consider a lot of prep work, which I just didn't have the time for, especially as a college senior. But you know, I'm doing it, I'm making it happen, and it's definitely worth it. It's definitely worth it. It's a lot of fun. It's very rewarding. And I'm proud of myself at the end of the day. So you're also probably noticing that I do have some curls in, and that is because I had a grad school open house for my top choice, which, like, I don't want to tell you guys what that is because I really want to be able to do like a big reveal video on that, because I'm really sad that I didn't have a channel to do that for undergrad, because I was so pumped and it was like Black Friday and it would have just been like a really fun day to get on video, and I wish I had that footage. Anywho, but I want to do it for this, so I don't want you guys to know what my top choice is, because then it's gonna like ruin that if I get in and you guys will think I'm like disappointed if I don't. So I had one of those today, and just letting you guys know, I want to go to doctorate school to be an occupational therapist. And I know you're like, why do you have a YouTube channel then? Because it has absolutely nothing to do with like marketing, sales, digital imaging, like none of that. And I feel like that's kind of stereotypical of the field, like business and all that. But that's what I want to do. So we're really hoping we get in at least somewhere and sent out a couple applications, and that's also been a huge portion of my time lately, just like this semester and since I've been home doing Vlogmas. So yeah, that's just been a really huge part of my life lately. And pray for me, because if I don't get into grad school, then this YouTube career better turn into something big, guys, because I don't know what I'm gonna do unless you guys have any advice as an exercise science major with a pre-occupational therapy degree that doesn't have a real like license to practice without going to school. Give me some advice if I don't get in, or pray for me. Those are your like things that you can do for me. That'd be really awesome. So that's college life. I mean, nothing else really exciting going on there because it's over. The other thing that I wanted to address in this video is my shutting down of lexvitale Instagram account, and I've got a lot of questions about just like that whole scenario, I guess. And that's because, so basically when I started my channel back in May, I really thought it would be important to have a separate Instagram to connect with my subscribers and like meet people and like whatever on. So I did that to kind of keep my like personal Instagram personal and like my YouTube Instagram to that. And then I quickly realized that my life was getting out of hand and confusing, and I had friends and family following both accounts and seeing my same pictures and everything twice, which was like a lot of work for me and weird for them. And then so many of you were becoming like my real friends and following my personal, so it was just getting out of hand confusing for everyone included. So that is why I shut that down and moved everyone to my personal, and I hope you guys are enjoying that, because honestly, like, I gotta admit, I'm not the biggest Instagrammer. I'm just not like on there 24/7 and like consistent per se. I'm definitely way more consistent on YouTube. So check out my community tab as well, because I don't think people think to check there often, and I really do try to update a lot on there with like the loss of the YouTube Instagram, if that makes sense, because it was just a lot of work, and I wanted to keep my like my YouTube life on YouTube predominantly. Like, I like to share video reminders on Instagram sometimes for you guys, but like there's a lot of people on my Instagram that just like aren't YouTube video people, which is like totally fine. I mean, everyone has their preference. They wanted to watch videos, they would be on YouTube or TikTok, not Instagram. So I need to remember that, and I know people feel differently about that, but that's just where I'm currently at with the situation, and I hope you guys are cool with that and like the idea, and start hitting me up on my community tab, because that's really one of my favorite places to connect with you guys, and it's not as common that I do that, so throwing that out there for you guys to check out. But I'm just really loving growing this community, and thank you all for sharing my videos and stuff with your friends. It means a lot to me because that's how I have gotten to meet so many of you, and your support means everything to me and keeps me doing crazy things like Vlogmas. So I just want you guys to know that you're all super important to me and play a big role in my motivation and desire to make content all the time and, you know, 25 videos in 25 days type of craziness because of you guys. So yeah, that is honestly the majority of what's going on in my life because, oh my, I literally forgot to talk about the biggest thing in my life, and then I'm almost done, so I'm going to have to run to be helpful. But I am on Tuesday going to Disney World, so my boyfriend and my brother are coming home on Saturday, so they will be here to hang out with me, which is super exciting, and I literally cannot wait. But I hate that as soon as my brother gets here, I'm leaving, because I don't know if I've even said, it's just me and my boyfriend going on this trip, and we've never been on vacation before, just the two of us, so I'm really excited about that. But it's just a whirlwind, and I'll probably be going live when I'm there, so subscribe for that, because I am so super excited. But sorry, I was just kind of like throwing stuff at you guys as I was getting ready. I'm really bad at multitasking, but you know, we did it. I think I look pretty good for everything I was just doing all at once. So thank you for watching. I am sorry again that I threw so much updated info at you guys so quickly, and I hope my clarification of Vlogmas like helped you guys out a little bit. But yeah, thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my future videos. I really hope you're enjoying Vlogmas, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you all next time. Bye guys.